Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up your artboards for your invitation set. You're going to do new. You're going to make sure that this says 5 artboards. Go ahead and click this third one that says arrange by row. Title this last name. Don't write last name, write your specific last name. Invitation set. 5 by 7 is the size that we want the invitation. So you have to decide. You might know, you might not know yet. You can change it later if you want it to be portrait or landscape. I'm going to go ahead and do portrait. Make sure your bleed might be at 0. Make sure your bleed is at 0.128. We talked about bleed yesterday. If any color is going off of the edge of your invitation, you need to have the bleed. We're going to set it up there regardless of what your invitation is going to look like in the end now. Click OK. You get 5 artboards. On your screen, you can go to Window, and you can choose Artboards, and you're going to get this window. The artboards are in a row. You can arrange them later, but it's nice to have them in a row because you can kind of organize them. So I'm going to call this one Front. That's going to be the front of my invitation. If you click here, it gives you lots of different things that you can change about it. We just want to worry about the size now. You can also change the name here. So this is going to be the back of my invitation. If you're printing your invitation here, if I'm printing it for you, I'm not going to do a back, but I still want you to design a back. Sometimes they put like chevron lines, or you could put class of 2015, or you could have some element of the design for it. The third artboard is going to be your thank you card, and we are going to make that 3.5 by 5. The next one is going to be your return address label, and that's going to be 3.5 by 1. And the next one after that is going to be your sticker. And we're going to make that 2.5. If I just press tab, it automatically highlights the next one and it makes it fast and easy. 2.5 by 2.5. Now if I do view, fit, all in window, they're kind of spread out. So you can click document setup, edit artboards, and you can arrange these in a fashion that would make sense to you. In the end, we have to, maybe we do this. You're going to have these already arranged in a way that you can mock it up on a texture background and make it look like it's the real paper that's there. So this would be your setup. If you later on decide, I don't want to have it portrait, I want to have it horizontal or landscape, you can select that and change it here. And then you can go on this one. And maybe your back is, you know, portrait and your front's landscape, or vice versa. Here you'd want to do document setup, edit artboards, and move that so they don't overlap. And then later on you would probably end up arranging these things so that it made sense for a good layout when we do the mock-up. I will get to that later.